Fluorophenical and enrofloxacin, which is the best to administer to your chickens. When it comes to antibiotics for chickens, it is important to be very careful. Antibiotics should only be used when necessary or prescribed by a qualified veterinarian and with a proper withdrawal period to keep meat and eggs safe for human consumption, because the overuse and misuse of antibiotics can lead to antibiotics resistance, making infections and diseases hard to treat. Now, both fluorophenical and enrofloxacin are strong broad-spectrum antibiotics used in poultry farming, but they are not the same when it comes to action and safety profile. In today's video, I'll be highlighting some pros and cons of using fluorophenical and enrofloxacin antibiotics, and also I'll be giving you all my own recommendation. Fluorophenical is a very strong broad-spectrum antibiotic that is very effective against respiratory infections like chronic respiratory disease and infectious coryza. It can be used in both young and adult birds, and it's safer for human consumption because of the shorter withdrawal period. Although fluorophenical can be a very strong antibiotic, but it is less effective for gut infections like severe diarrhea, and it's also very expensive as compared to other antibiotics. Now, enrofloxacin is also a strong broad-spectrum antibiotic that works for respiratory, systemic, and intestinal infections. It is highly effective against severe diarrhea and can be used in severe infections where other medications fail. But enrofloxacin has a longer withdrawal period for both meat and eggs, and the overuse of these antibiotics can quickly lead to antibiotics resistance. In countries like the United States of America and some European countries, enrofloxacin is banned and restricted due to antimicrobial resistance risk. This means bacteria and infections stop responding to treatment when enrofloxacin is often used in a wrong dose or without proper guidance. Now, here is my recommendation. If you are running a farm where customer safeties are priorities and mostly layers farming, and you want a fewer resistance concern, fluorophenical is a better choice. But if you are facing a life-threatening disease outbreak in your farm and regulations allow it in your area or location, enrofloxacin is a more potent and stronger antibiotic for you. However, always remember this: do not misuse or overuse any antibiotics, and always remember to consult your veterinarian for proper advice and guidance, because this is very important. Thank you for listening.